Hey guys, alright, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial of how to use Trojan on Solana trading bot. So I've got it on my phone and on my laptop here as well. So when you see my link in Telegram, in my group, it's in my Telegram group, that's Telegram Wolf Crypto Alpha. So if you're not already in here, you should join. When you see me post my link about Trojan, you click this link. And then it will automatically bring you into Trojan on Solana. So as soon as you click that link, it will open a brand new wallet for you inside Telegram. Once you have the new wallet address in here, you just tap it. You're going to send Solana to this wallet address to trade in here. Okay? And anytime that you have a coin, I'm just going to show quickly positions. So if you want to buy a coin, you just copy, paste in here, click, and it will buy. I have an automatic buy on here as well, so you can set that up too. First step, generating a new wallet. Getting your settings done. Okay, so here we are back on the Trojan main page. Okay, right, settings of Trojan. Okay, so if you want to buy really fast on launch, you need to have turbo on. So it makes your transactions a lot faster. If you're just buying and selling stuff that's not launching, it's already like stable, you can just use the minimum, like the minimum fee here. This is also important. You need to have MEV protect buy and sell both on. These are both on. Auto buy, example, I have auto buy set 0.5 sol. Anything I copy paste in here, it automatically buys me 0.5 sol. You can set this to whatever you want, 0.2, 0.5, 1, whatever. You can also make minimum liquidities and whatever other settings you want. Going back again. Same with auto sell settings. You want to have this up as well. You want to make a new profile. This is just an example here. This is what I do. So at 100% gain, I sell 50%, which means I get my initial investment out at 2x. Then you can make another level, like, so 500%, this means 6x, I sell another 15%. At 11x, I sell another 15%. At 21x, I sell another 15%. And at 51x, I sell another 15%. You can make this whatever you want. Like, I'm just taking some profit. You can also put how long it lasts. It's like slippage and expiration 365 days is fine. Yeah, so I'm just going through the settings here. You can make another profile as well to do different wallets or whatever you want, different strategies you can do. So yeah, you want to have these on. You want to have auto buy and auto sell set. If you want to confirm trades, you can confirm trades. Okay, so that's a quick setup tutorial of how to have your Trojan settings, MEV protect on, both buys and sells, auto buy on, auto sell, just as I showed you guys already just before. And very important as well, you want to back up your wallet onto Phantom as well. So to do that, settings, wallets. In the settings, you export the wallet into Phantom as well. Obviously, like, you get your own private key, which you need to keep completely safe on a piece of paper. Like, don't even save pictures of it. Just keep it on an actual piece of paper. You will copy and paste that private key into Phantom, and then your wallet will be backed up in Phantom. So yeah, you need to do that as well. Of course, Phantom being the biggest wallet app on Solana, it's critical to have that in case anything happens to your Telegram account. As for trading itself, Trojan itself also works on laptop. This is like a typical setup that I would do on laptop as well. Whenever I'm in a trade, if I'm actively trading, whatever coin it may be, I can see all my positions here on laptop, and I can open the chart. So I open the chart. It opens up a chart in the new window. Here's just my notes of a video here. So we want to bring up what the chart looks like. Like, for example, I'll do a live trade and it will show you where your buys and sells are. When you open it from here, it will show your buys and your sells on the graph. And then you can also check your profit loss on Deck Screener. So yeah, you want to be using Deck Screener a lot when you're actually in live trades as well. And then you can also have another portfolio where you just have coins and you just hold them. You can spread your coins to other wallets. That's pretty much most of the notes I was going to cover here. Of course, join at Wolf Crypto Alpha on Telegram if you're not already in. I put lots of plays in here. This is my channel here, already 1,300 subs. Thanks everyone for joining. I call a lot of plays in here every day. And if you really want to optimize your trading, make sure that you join my private group, Wolf Lounge. Already have 86 people in a Wolf Lounge. You can see some of the huge calls in here that I've done. The leaderboard. I'll show you right now in my group the leaderboard 1 month. So leaderboard 1 month. You can see some of the plays in here that we did in the past month. It's actually updated since then. If I make a call out in here, you'll see it. So yeah, join the private group if you want to elevate your trading. It's 1 Solana per month or 4 Solana for a lifetime pass. And you can trade with us every day. Huge plays every day in the group, grinding. Got to make maximum profit this crypto bull run. I'm also trading altcoins on leverage too. So that's the place to be. Join us there. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Share your Trojan link with your friends. And you can also make $400 plus per day, which I've already just shown you guys what I'm doing on Trojan at the moment. So see you in the next video.